Hello, it's Micheal Smith here from Hybrid Energy Group. Today we're in Toyota garage, main dealer in Cavan here and surrounding areas. We've installed 144 panels on the roof of the building here to help Toyota to offset 40 to 45,000 units of power off their ESB bills annually.
The system, we went with a 60 kilowatt system. It's 144 panels on the roof. It's a fairly big system. Years looking at it and thinking about it, and finally decided last year to go ahead with it. Micheal and Carmel and Dan, in fairness, now have been very patient with us and have been very good. Any questions we had, always answered and dealt with very good. They're very efficient when they arrived. Put the scaffolding up and you wouldn't know they're about to blaze in and out in a week. And it's a no-brainer really, like you're generating your own power and you're selling back. We're selling improved now to sell back to the grid as well. So
we have a screen here that we've installed for Toyota. It's in the waiting area for the services and showroom. And basically what we have here is it's telling me the real-time power on the roof at the moment is 20.9 kilowatts, which is 21 kilowatts power being produced. The system is capable of producing 50 kilowatts. Today we have produced almost 50 kilowatts of power this morning, and in the last month it's telling me here that we've produced 6.4 megawatts, which is 6,400 units, and to date, from the system went in 6 weeks ago, we've just over 10 megawatts of power, which is roughly 10,500 units of power. And down the bottom here then it explains the chart from daylight this morning and the way it goes up and down with the clouds coming in and out. And here we have the CO2 that's avoided. So we've almost 5 tons of CO2 avoided. We've saved somebody 4.5 ton of coal, and we have the equivalent of planted 7 trees. So basically what we have here, we have a 50 kilowatt inverter, 3-phase. And we've all the strings coming in here on it. Now this here is a kilowatt hour meter, so this corresponds with the amount of power that has been produced on the roof, on the app. So it's telling us there's 10,500 units of power produced, and this here is telling us 10,500 units of power produced as well. So it's kind of a double whammy on 2 different levels. These are all your DC isolators feeding into it, and this is the main AC isolator for shutting the whole system down. I hope you enjoyed our tour around. We had a good tour around today, and thanks very much, and I hope it was an informative bit of information.